So ZonGuru's Chrome extension, fantastic to be using for, product research, product validation. Is something that you can obviously get caught on hours having a look. But what the Chrome extension does, and if this is loading up, or I might go to this one, which I know is already loaded up. Here we go. I'm looking at exercise bands here. This is the niche score. So it always gives a niche score, gives a breakdown of the niche score. And this shows you on average over the last 30 days, how the products are performing, who are on page 1. Okay, so we've got the search volume for exercise band, the main buyer keyword. We've got the average monthly sales, the average price, average ratings and reviews, average revenue, and the average launch budget. So you can see on average how a niche is performing. But then you have all the individual ASINs that are appearing on page 1 here on the left-hand side. So a few features that I would particularly like to point out here. So firstly, ZonGuru does indicate 1, 2, and 3. So this box indicates that this product has the #1 click. So it might be, we might find that it is the best selling product. It might be the hero shot, might be the pricing, but it's always good when you're doing your competitor analysis to see what competitors, who's getting the first click and why. How can you model your product or to have those kind of results as well? From all the data points, obviously you can see a lot of data points, whether it's price, the number of sales, the revenue, BSR, the ratings, etc. What I want to point out is that you can also, move these around to what you're looking at. So I want to know revenue. I want that to be at the front. I can click on this and it will reorder from highest to lowest. So very quickly, I know who my top competitors are. It's interesting to note that #2 click, they have the #2 click, but they're not, top revenue. So it's always good for some reason or another. They may be an upcoming competitor. If I'm already selling this, what are they doing that I'm not? Type of thing. So you get a lot of data points here, and you have, again, the ability to customize, to filter. So here you can pick and choose what data points you want to see. So if you're new to this and a lot of the data points here, if it's overwhelming, you can pick and choose what you're seeing. So if you want less information on there, that's more beneficial, you can do that. And then even here, you can add filters. So say you only want to look at products that are making a minimum of, there's quite a high, $50,000. I can write $50,000 filter. Now I've only got the ASINs that are making over 50 grand.